So what about printing something like this? I've got a flat surface there. These overhangs are not very big. They're much less than 90 degrees. So these can print without any kind of support pretty easily, but it's getting bigger with each layer at this part. This would work, but whenever you're trying to figure out which way to orient it, I've got a flat face here and I've got a flat face here. This flat face is bigger than this one. This one also has the hole cut out of it. So the only part that would be holding this to the build plate is that ring. That can cause problems because if the nozzle hits it or bumps it, this will come off the build plate easier. The more surface area touching the build plate, the better it will stick. So for this one, the best orientation for this would be to rotate it 180 degrees. So you've got more surface area, and then it prints here, and then it gets smaller up to the top. Well, what about this? Smaller ring, bigger ring. Well, more surface area, go with the bigger ring. So this would print fine like this. Always try to get the most flat area on the build plate.